Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to find your password on YouTube TV. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access the YouTube TV login page. So visit the YouTube TV website and navigate to the login page. The following step is to click on the forgot password link. So on the login page, look for the forgot password link or a similar option. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. The following step is to enter your email address. So in the password recovery form, enter the email address associated with your YouTube TV account. It should be the email you use to create your YouTube TV account or the one linked to your Google account. The next step, the fourth step, is to complete the verification process. So YouTube TV will send you an email containing a verification link or a verification code. Check your email inbox for this message and follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. The last step is to reset your password. So after completing the verification process, you will be redirected to a page where you can reset your password. Enter a new password of your choice and confirm it. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.